this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you some of the wonderful digital resources you have access to with your Ada Community Library card. To access these resources, simply visit adalib.org. That's adalib.org. Once you go to adalib.org, you'll simply click on the branch that is nearest to you or the one that you visit the most often. In this case, I'm going to click on the Hidden Springs location. So here we are on the main website, and today I'm going to show you a wonderful resource called Pronunciator. You're just going to hover your cursor over Research here in the center, and then you're going to click on Learning. So here you can see the link is for Pronunciator, which is a great way to learn languages. We're just going to click on Pronunciator. It's just going to take you here, so it's going to ask you to log in with your library card if this is your first time here. So you'll just type in your library card number, and then you can either hit Instant Access and just go immediately and start learning languages, or you can click on Register and create an account so it'll keep track of the languages you've already learned, the lessons you've already taken, etc. So I'm going to enter my library card number and then click Register. So after you've entered in your library card number, it'll take you here. And here you can just create an account using your email address and just create a password, something that you'll remember, and then click Continue. And after you've created your account, just click on Launch Pronunciator. So it'll take you here, and then you just select what language you currently speak and what language you want to learn. So I speak English, so English is selected, and I want to learn, well, let's see all the different languages you have access to through Pronunciator. You've got Cantonese, Mandarin, German, Greek, Portuguese, French, Turkish, all kinds. So I think I want to learn Spanish. So I'm just going to scroll down until I see Spanish, and then there's Latin American Spanish and Mexican Spanish. So I'm going to click on Mexican Spanish. And here it'll bring you to lessons for the language you selected, and there are daily lessons, personalized courses, main courses, and learning guides, and more. So let's say I just want a daily lesson. So I'm going to click on Daily Lesson, then it asks your skill level, beginner, intermediate, advanced. I'm a beginner, so I'm going to click on Beginner. And then I can click on today's date, and it'll start a daily lesson for me. And I can come back here every day and start a lesson. And I can do this daily if I'd like, and the lessons are pretty short, and they also include quizzes at the end to help you remember. Or if I change my mind, I can go back, click on the little back button up here, and I can say I just want to go to the main course. I can click on that and then language levels, and it'll show me core vocabulary, essential verbs, creating sentences, powerful phrases, conversations. So I can click on any of these if I wanted to just get vocabulary words, or if I just wanted to learn how to create sentences, and I could do those lessons specifically. Or maybe I just want to look on learning guides. I can click on learning guides, and then there are a bunch of different learning guides for early learners, for young learners, for low and intermediate, for advanced. If you just want some words and phrases to help you with healthcare or COVID-19 essential phrases, all those are there. I can also click up here under personalized courses, and I can create a personalized course for myself. And I can select all the topics that interest me, or I can select my occupation and get lessons specifically tailored for that. So I think I'll click on Select all the topics that interest you. And I'm going to click on Communication, I think, Style, and Food. And they also have all these other options. Hotels, personal care, history, music, friends, travel. Ooh, I think I'll select Travel too. And maybe Mind and Body, and click Next. Then again, what's your skill level? I'm going to select Beginner. What's my age range? And click there. And you can select how many weeks you want this course to last. So let's say you've got a trip coming up, so you know you want your lessons to end before the trip starts. You can select 4 weeks, 8 weeks, etc. Or if you want a longer amount of time, I'm going to select 20 weeks and hit next. Then you can select how many new phrases you want to learn each day. I'm going to leave it at 6, but I could change it if I want. I can go down to 5 or I can go up to 20, so I'm going to do 6. Then it asks if you want more drills or quizzes. I tend to prefer quizzes, so I'm going to select quizzes, more quizzes than drills. Do you want to use your microphone? You can select that. Maybe you don't have a microphone, so you want to click no. It also asks if you want to allow it to use your webcam, and you can select yes or no. And then I'm going to click next, and then it has learning goals. And you can select your priorities, 1 being the most important and 4 being the least important. So speaking is most important, understanding very important, reading a little less important, and writing a little less important for me. And then you can sign up to receive daily reminders via email. I'm going to select no. And then you can give your course a name. So I'm going to just give it a name, Spanish course. And then I can build my course, clicking up here in the corner. And then it creates a course that's specifically tailored to me based on all the questions that I just answered and all the things I just selected. Here it are. Here's my personalized course. So I can just click on there, and there's my Spanish course. And here it is, week 1. And I can start my lessons right away. And I can go normal, select slow, mute. I can click on the next one.
Tú deseas.
Once I'm done with that one.
Yo deseo.
I can go up here and change from listening to video or to flashcards. But anyway, it's a really great resource that you have access to with your Ada Community Library card. You have access to a ton of different languages you can learn. And as you saw there, it's very easy to create personalized lessons plans, get weekly lessons, or if you just want some language guides to help you, Pronunciator has all of them. So make sure you check out Pronunciator through with your Ada Community Library card. Bye!